possible for me to see this bread. In fact, it was just when I was looking for a solution, to my problem to my mom had a breast issue. So that was the time I saw bread. After using other things that did not work for her, at the end, I met this young man there, Mr. Peter. I told him that my mother is having a problem and this is COVID-19, no movement, nothing. In fact, we don't have anywhere to go and solve this problem. And my mom, in fact, the pain makes her to cry continuously that, in fact, you cannot, you yourself, if you see her, you just start crying with her, that kind of thing. With the engagement, tenderness, pains, and everything. So God just helped me. I told him, he said I should use this to better. Look at it. I said, this thing is somehow, in fact, I don't know. She said she should use it. So when she used this bread, only 3 sachets, that breast engagement came down. To the glory of God.
Thank you very much.